This is no ordinary apple. It's a magic wishing apple. Yes, one bite, and all your dreams will come true.
Alright, you can see I've got some of that really punky apple again. It's a shorter piece, and the client wants, you probably already gathered what the client wants after watching that first clip. We're going to use some more of that rose red. It shouldn't float up because I hot glued it down. I'm going to have a hell of a time getting out of the bucket, but see y'all in the morning. What? There's some places on the side here that didn't get any, but that's going to get turned off anyways. Have never had that happen though. Some on the bottom that didn't get in there. That's strange, but it looks good. This, I knew it. When I casted the bottom of this, I casted it with not enough hardener in it, and this stuff is rubbery. I may have to recast the bottom of this, put all this stuff off and then recast it. God bless. My arm hit the speed control. Holy crap. Distinct sound or smell of cherry as I turn this. I mean, it smells like cherry. It's really cool. I'm going to try to get some of this on here and see how it looks. Issue with this is such punky wood, it doesn't sand as good as you would think. It sands a little bit better in some areas, like right here. Oh, hell yes. Alright, I've been having so much trouble with this. Now that I've got it sanded on the inside, I'm going to go ahead and just redo the whole outside and inside. So first off, we're going to start with some sanding sealer. Try a little bit of this X paste. Let's do some of that OB Shine juice. I'm just happy to get this thing done.